What? I tried. Yeah. The only reason I saw you, I thought that was my chance to catch you, and I got caught up by that guy. You still passed him in the fucking corner. I don't know how. Get off me, faggot.